In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Google Password Manager settings might be difficult to find, but editing your password is really easy. So after going into Google, tap on All Services located next to Recommended. Then scroll to choose Autofill with Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Finally, to edit any password, tap on it and enter your screen lock first. Then choose Edit button next to Delete one and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!